As I step into the autumn forest, I am immediately greeted by a symphony of colors. The leaves on the trees have transformed into a vibrant palette of reds, oranges, and yellows. The air is crisp and filled with the earthy scent of fallen leaves. The forest floor is covered in a carpet of golden foliage, creating a magical atmosphere. The sound of rustling leaves under my feet adds to the enchantment of this season. In the distance, I can see the majestic winter mountains, the trees, standing tall and proud, provide a stunning contrast against the snow-capped peaks. Their branches reach towards the sky, as if trying to touch the heavens. The sight is breathtaking, and I can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the beauty of nature. A gentle mist hangs in the air, adding an ethereal touch to the autumn landscape. It wraps around the trees like a soft blanket, creating an almost mystical ambience. The mist obscures the path ahead, inviting me to explore and discover hidden treasures within the forest. October brings a transformation like no other. The trees adorn themselves in shades of gold, orange, and crimson. Each leaf seems to be a work of art, painted by nature's brush. The sunlight filters through the foliage, casting a warm glow on everything it touches. It's as if the trees are putting on their most vibrant display before bidding farewell to summer. The park is a haven of tranquility during the autumn months. The trees stand tall and proud, their branches reaching out to embrace visitors. The ground is covered in a carpet of fallen leaves, creating a soft and colorful pathway. Families gather for picnics. Children play in piles of leaves, and couples stroll hand in hand, enjoying the beauty of the season. As autumn progresses, the leaves gradually change their colors. They turn from vibrant greens to shades of yellow, creating a stunning contrast against the clear blue sky. The trees seem to be preparing for their winter slumber, shedding their summer attire and embracing the cooler temperatures. The autumn sun casts a warm, golden glow on everything it touches. Its rays filter through the trees, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. The sunlight illuminates the vibrant colors of the leaves, making them appear even more radiant. It's a gentle reminder that despite the approaching winter, there is still warmth and beauty to be found. In the mountains, The trees take on a fiery hue during autumn. Shades of red paint the landscape, creating a breathtaking panorama. Against the backdrop of rugged peaks, the red trees stand out like beacons, adding a touch of drama to the scenery. It's a sight that leaves me in awe of nature's artistry. One of the most enchanting aspects of autumn is the falling leaves. They twirl and dance through the air, carried by a gentle breeze. The ground becomes a mosaic of colors as the leaves gracefully descend, creating a beautiful tapestry. It's a reminder that change is inevitable and that beauty can be found even in letting go. The autumn wind whispers through the trees, carrying with it a sense of tranquility and peace. It gently caresses my face, reminding me of the fleeting nature of time. It carries the scent of fallen leaves, evoking memories of cozy evenings by the fireplace. The warm wind wraps around me like a comforting embrace, making me feel at one with nature. The mountains in autumn are a sight to behold. Their slopes are covered in a patchwork of colors, as if nature has painted them with a delicate brush. The crisp air and the breathtaking views make it the perfect season for hiking and exploring. Standing at the summit, I feel a sense of accomplishment and a deep connection with the world around me. As I take a leisurely stroll through the autumn forest, I am enveloped by a sense of peace and tranquility. The crunch of leaves under my feet is a soothing melody, creating a rhythm that matches the beating of my heart. The colors around me are a feast for the eyes, filling me with a sense of wonder and gratitude. It's a moment of pure bliss, a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the simplest of things. As I drive along the winding mountain road, the crisp autumn air fills my lungs. The road is surrounded by towering trees, their leaves ablaze with vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold. The silence is almost deafening, broken only by the occasional rustle of leaves under my tires. The tranquility of this secluded path brings a sense of peace and serenity to my soul. In the heart of the forest, a majestic maple stands tall, its branches adorned with fiery red leaves. The sunlight filters through the canopy, casting a warm glow on the ground below. As the wind gently sways the branches, a shower of leaves begin to fall, creating a mesmerizing dance in the air. Each leaf is a work of art, unique in its shape and color, as if nature itself is painting a masterpiece. Walking through the forest, I am surrounded by a symphony of rustling leaves. They twirl and spin in the air, descending gracefully to the ground below. The ground is carpeted with a mosaic of colors, creating a breathtaking sight. I can't help but be reminded of the cycle of life and how nature teaches us to let go, just as the trees release their leaves in preparation for the coming winter. As I wander deeper into the forest, the sunlight filters through the dense canopy, creating a magical ambiance. The rays of the sun pierce through the gaps between the leaves, casting long shadows on the forest floor. The golden light illuminates the vibrant colors of autumn, making everything seem ethereal and otherworldly. It's as if time stands still in this enchanted forest. Nestled amidst the trees, a serene lake reflects the beauty of autumn. The water is still, mirroring the vibrant foliage that surrounds it. The colors dance on the surface, creating a mesmerizing kaleidoscope. The tranquility of the lake is interrupted only by the occasional ripple caused by a gentle breeze. It's a place where one can find solace and reconnect with nature. Following a winding trail through the woods, I am greeted by a tapestry of autumn colors. The path is lined with fallen leaves, creating a soft carpet under my feet. The air is filled with the earthy scent of damp soil and decaying foliage. As I walk, I can't help but feel a sense of anticipation, wondering what lies beyond the next bend in the trail. The earth itself seems to be transformed in autumn. The ground is covered in a patchwork of fallen leaves, creating a crunchy carpet as I walk. The soil feels cool and damp beneath my fingertips, reminding me of the cycle of life and the constant renewal of nature. It's a reminder that even in the midst of change, there is beauty to be found. In the heart of the city, a park stands empty and abandoned. The once bustling playgrounds and picnic areas are now deserted, as if frozen in time. The trees that line the pathways have shed their leaves, creating a panoramic landscape. The silence is eerie, broken only by the sound of leaves rustling in the wind. It's a place where one can find solitude and contemplation amidst the chaos of everyday life. High above, the mountains are adorned with a fiery palette of colors. The rugged peaks are softened by a blanket of golden foliage, creating a breathtaking contrast against the clear blue sky. As I gaze at this majestic landscape, I am reminded of the power and beauty of nature. It's a reminder that there is so much more to explore and discover beyond our everyday lives. Spanning across a tranquil stream, a pedestrian bridge offers a breathtaking view of the surrounding autumn forest. The wooden planks creak under my weight as I walk, adding to the symphony of nature's sounds. From here, I can see the trees stretching as far as the eye can see, their leaves ablaze with vibrant colors. It's a place where one can pause and appreciate the beauty of the natural world. Scattered throughout the forest, fallen logs rest peacefully on the ground. Covered in a carpet of moss and surrounded by fallen leaves, they become a haven for small creatures seeking shelter. Each log tells a story of its own, bearing the marks of time and weathering. It's a reminder that even in death, there is beauty and purpose. A hidden gem nestled amidst the autumn trees, a tranquil lake reflects the vibrant colors of its surroundings. The water is calm and still, mirroring the fiery foliage above. As I sit by the shore, I am captivated by the beauty that surrounds me. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing me to escape from the chaos of everyday life. Running through the heart of the forest, a railway track weaves its way through the trees. The rusted rails disappear into the distance, inviting me to embark on a journey of discovery. The surrounding trees have shed their leaves, creating a tunnel of sorts, as if nature itself is guiding me along its forgotten path. It's a place where one can feel a sense of adventure and wanderlust. The trees stand tall, their branches adorned with a tapestry of autumn leaves. Each leaf is a masterpiece, displaying a unique combination of colors, from fiery reds to golden yellows. They create a breathtaking display against the clear blue sky. As I look up, I am reminded of the fleeting nature of beauty and the importance of cherishing each moment. As raindrops fall on the surface of the lake, they create ripples that distort the reflection of the surrounding trees. The sound of rain hitting the water is soothing and calming, adding to the tranquility of the scene. It's a reminder that even in the midst of change, there's beauty and harmony to be found. From high above, the autumn forest stretches as far as the eye can see. The trees are ablaze with vibrant hues of red, orange, and gold, creating a mesmerizing patchwork of colors. The forest seems to come alive from this perspective, as if it's breathing and pulsating with life. It's a reminder that there is so much more to explore and discover beyond what meets the eye.